Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new S20 smartwatch. So you can see the box in front of us, all white, very simple. On the side we have the logo of burn calories, calls and take photos. We have heart rate, steps and alarm. As you can see immediately it reveals the S20 when you open it up. We have a very good quality and very large smartwatch. You can see it's wrapped up with protection and other things. Underneath this foam protection thing we will find the bands itself. These are made from rubber, and we have the charger for the device. And also not to forget the user manual, which is in Chinese and English, and here we will find the QR code for app and also a couple of things for this device in case you need to know things. So now we should put back together the bands itself and see how it works after this. These are very simple bands like we usually are used to. One clip and it goes into place. You actually hear the click and it's just that. Very easy, very fast thing to do. So these are the easiest way to clip the band in a smartwatch. You can see now the screen, very good, very large. We have two buttons in the side and immediately it powers on the watch itself. You can see we have very good quality and very good face. In the top part we have QR code brightness. As you can see we can brighten it up much more. And we have do not disturb connection, and we have the settings. In the settings we will find later what we have. We have here blood pressure, heart rate and steps and other things about the day information. We saw the status, heart rate, blood pressure. After that we have notifications, stopwatch, countdown. We have the settings at the bottom. At the settings we have theme. You can see right here we can change the face, but we have only two of them, which is a little bit weird. We usually get more. We have screen off. You can see right now we have the lowest. I'm going to put it at the 15 seconds, which notice that the battery will die much faster. And we don't have anything else in the system to see. With these are all the options, not too many, but very simple smartwatch. Here we have now to try some of the things that we saw before, starting from the heart rate. As you can see immediately it's testing, and we will wait until it's done, see the result at the end. You can see we have the first result here, 85. It's still measuring, but this is the first result, and all these results will be saved in the app. We will see in the video how to connect it, all the statistics for these measurements. After heart rate we have blood pressure here. Let's see what result this will give us. You can see we have the first result again at the blood pressure. This watch gives you the measurements really fast, and I personally like it. You can see we have the final result. It vibrates to tell you that the results are done. Next we have the sport. As you can see we have running, climbing, hiking, riding, basketball, badminton, football and other stuff. If you go here you will see seconds, blood pressure and steps. These are the only three information that you will find here in the smartwatch. It's not so good, but again this is what we get. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.